Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening VSCode and the integrated terminal. This puts you where changes take effect immediately. Once done, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P to open the command palette, type terminal:/select default profile and pick it. You choose an available profile now. Don't worry about permanence yet. Make sure to note whether Powershell or CMD. EXE appears in the list because that determines the next step. If CMD is visible, select it. Then proceed to lock it in via settings so it persists after restarts. You now configure the default shell so VSCode opens CMD every time. If CMD, EXE was selectable earlier, choose it, then open Settings and search Default Profile, set Terminal, Integrated, Default Profile, Windows to Command Prompt. If CMD isn't listed, add a profile in Settings. JSON under Terminal, Integrated, Profiles, Windows with a label and the CMD, EXE path. For example, C, /Windows/System32/CMD, EXE. Once saved, restart VS Code or reload the window. Doing this ensures the change is persistent and works across workspaces and updates. You finish by reloading the window and opening a new terminal. Verify it shows command prompt by running dir. If you still see PowerShell, make sure workspace settings don't override your user settings and check terminal. Integrated, Profiles, Windows for correct label and path. Also confirm you didn't install an extension that forces PowerShell. If problems persist, reset terminal-related settings or temporarily move settings. JSON aside and retry. This isolates corrupt or conflicting entries. Once resolved, your default shell will reliably open as CMD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.